Piper Weingarten.
And I'm Juniper Chappelle.
And we put Yetis on things.
And today we're going to a store on South Broadway.
Nothing has Yetis on it, but you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna put Yetis on things.
Fluff it up, make it magical.
Oh, great. Put a Yeti on it.
Look, I just painted Yeti fur all over this. Do you think it's gonna blend in the woods? It's beautiful.
Did you see this bag before? I didn't. Now there's a Yeti on it. It's roaming. It's free.
Look at this card with birds all over it. No one's gonna want to buy that. I'll put a Yeti on it.
Fantastic. Put a Yeti on it.
Put
A
Yeti
on
it!
Look, they're friends.
Put a Yeti on it! And now you can open for business! Get it out! I hate it!